These steps are gonna help you with procrastination and discipline. So if you can't do these, you can't commit to nothing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay, and today, as you can see by the title, I am going to help y'all improve y'all life in 2025 by giving y'all 7 micro habits to your highest vibration. And these are some things that I've been doing that helped me be a little more happier in life, even if I'm not where I want to be yet. So I'm gonna help you guys. If it's helped me, I'm sure it can help somebody else. So let's get into the video. I got my little notes right here, y'all. I'm such a rambler, but I randomly wrote this at 10 o'clock in the morning while I was in the bed. So let's get into it. So yeah, step 1, make sure you make up your bed every day. You're just gonna feel better. Me making up my bed every day, you know, they say when you make up your bed every day, you're gonna be a millionaire. I don't know. You know, it's probably a lot of people who are not millionaires that make up a bed. But some, we have the vision. But I make up my bed every day when I wake up. Now, we human. I'm not saying that sometimes when I'm rushing out the house or something, I leave my bed messed up. I try to make it up quick if I'm rushing somewhere. But it's just gonna make you feel so much better. And it's gonna give you a peace of mind and relaxation no matter how your day went. When you come home and your bed made up, it's nothing else better than that. You're just gonna feel great. I just love getting in my bed too. I love my bed.
My bed.
It just feels so good. You sleep better. I feel like having your bed made up, you sleep the amount of time you're supposed to sleep. I don't know, that could just be me, but they need to do some psychological research or something. You'll feel great. Don't procrastinate, just do it. I don't care what you gotta do, just do it. Make that bed up. Next. 2, build a routine. Having a routine is step 1 to being disciplined. My routine is, some days I don't follow it, but I say it's 80-20. Give it all you got to try to do this. When I come home from work, I come in, I take my clothes off, I get straight in the shower. Straight in the shower. I don't care how tired I am. I get straight in the shower. And then I do my little body routine, put my oil, my lotion on, my perfume on. Yes, I put my little roll-on perfume on when I go to sleep because that just makes me feel better. It's just sensual. Having a routine, it's gonna discipline you. If you can do your routine every day, you could do anything. These steps are gonna help you with procrastination and discipline. So if you can't do these, you can't commit to nothing. I'm just saying. Even if you do nothing for a day, doing your routine, it's still being productive. Doing your routine is still being productive. So if you can't do nothing else that day, do your routine. You gotta start somewhere. Next, number 3. 3's a charm. Learn to be alone. I can't stress this one enough. But sitting with yourself will give you the ability to introspect like you never have before. Within a couple of months, just by being by myself, be grateful for your solitude. If you lose a friend, if you lose a boyfriend, best friends, aunties, uncles, mama, daddy, it don't matter. If you losing everybody, be grateful. If you're in separation, you're in separation for a reason. So use it wisely. Don't use it to mope. If you have to mope, do that though. because that's the time where you're gonna sit and process all your thoughts and feelings. It's great. Like you're gonna learn yourself better. It's a great thing, man. It's a great thing. That's all I can say. Being in your solitude is where the real growth happens. You'll be able to make better decisions for your life. All that. I can't say. I used to ask for people's opinion a lot. And now I try not to. Because 9 times out of 10, if you asking, you already know what you want to do. It's okay to get a second opinion sometimes, depending on the situation. This varies. But I think I was saying something along the lines of getting a second opinion is okay sometimes. But sometimes you just have to make a decision for yourself, because 9 times out of 10, that's gonna be the better decision, and you're gonna be happier. So, yeah. Great minds are made in solitude. So learn how to be alone and be grateful for it. Next, meditation. Meditation is gonna help you build good mental health. It's gonna keep your mental at 10, maybe 8 or 9, but it's gonna be helpful for you, especially if you're somebody who's really busy or you have a chaotic life. You need to take time out of your day to just breathe for a second. Just breathe for a second. I don't care if it's 5 minutes. Let me see. I think I wrote some forms of meditation. Oh yeah, so you can take a walk, you can journal, you can sit in your quietness. Sitting in silence, I love silence now. Sometimes you just need peace and quiet. Like, I love when I'm here by myself. Sometimes I just need to. Sometimes I don't even turn the TV on. I just lay in my bed and just sit in silence. And that gives you space to think and stuff too. It's gonna clear your mind. I be journaling. Most of the time I journal when I'm at work. Whenever you have free time, journal. The journaling helps you get your thoughts out too. You have to transfer them somewhere. That's why you need to meditate. You just need to sit, think about your thoughts, process your decisions. Journaling really does help. And sometimes I like going back, because I'll journal something that I want in life, or something that's coming, or how I feel about something, and I can go back and I'd be like, oh my gosh, I really did that, or this ended up happening. Or sometimes I'll update my journal on like what's happening. It's kind of like a diary, but it's not a diary. Yeah, just journal. It don't matter when you start. You don't have to be like Dear Diary or whatever like that. I don't even be knowing what to say sometimes when I journal. Sometimes I just be like, I just start writing. Just start writing. If I'm in a good mood, I'd be like, what's up, journal? Or something like that, some porn and shit. But yeah, everybody needs a break. You need to meditate. It's the time to declutter your mind and get all of that tension out of your body. So do that. Next, physical movement. Physical movement is vital. This is gonna make your life 10 times better too. Everything on this list is gonna make your life 10 times better. Like, I know we have the financial side of things, but this is, you can't buy. You just can't buy. This is self-work right here. I wouldn't say this is a type of meditation, but you need to be doing some type of movement consistently to keep your mental health and your physical health in good standing. You need to be doing something. It don't matter what you do, the gym, Pilates, yoga, going on a nature walk, whatever. You need to do something. And I feel like it's good to get outside too and get some sun, because we need that vitamin D. I don't go outside like, I mean, it's cold right now, but during summertime, start trying to go on my patio more or something. But you need to make some type of schedule to do these things. You can start at home too. If you go to the gym, all this YouTube University. YouTube have everything. So go on YouTube, find you a video, find you a little hot burning Pilates video, workout video. You better go on Chloe Ting or something. Nature walk, you can't get that on YouTube. But go outside, walk. Your apartment's got a nature trail. Walk around your neighborhood, something. Physical movement not only enhances our physical health, but also fosters our mental clarity, emotional stability, and personal growth. And it improves our quality of life over time. I mean, overall. Get in the gym. Also, going back into physical movement, I've been going to the gym for 3 months consistently. And it's really not all about your physical appearance. It really is about your mental clarity and emotional stability. Like, regulate that nervous system. That's what it's gonna help you do. It's done great things for me. And I don't want to go all the time, but this is where the discipline comes in again. No matter how you feel, do it. When Nike said, just do it. Okay? I don't care if you're sad, mad, lazy. Get up and go. When I tell y'all I have to drag myself out of bed sometimes just to get up early to go to the gym. I'm not gonna cap y'all. I feel like I used to be a crash out. Not in a bad way, but just a tiny bit. But it's gonna help you not crash out. And the calmer you are, the better you can articulate your thoughts and convey them to people. But next, hobbies. Find you 1 or 2 hobbies and do them once or twice a month. Really, I mean, as much as you can. You don't want to get overstimulated with life or have a burnout, because working, putting in the work, you're gonna burn out. I can do a separate video on burnouts because I am a victim of it. Yes. Burning out will make you not want to do nothing at all. It will just make you want to give up on everything. You don't want to be here no more. You just tired of life. Find you a hobby or 2 and try to do them once or twice a month or something, because we're human. You gotta have fun. Work hard, play hard. If you all work, it's not gonna go well. It will drain you. Don't fall off track though, but have you some fun somehow. Next, this is the last one. We're on number 7. Cultivate a relationship with yourself. This is kind of what I was talking about during building solitude too. Cultivate a relationship with yourself is the best thing in the world. I'm telling you, this is gonna help. This is all around. This is gonna help with everything. If you don't have a relationship with yourself, you shouldn't have no type of friendship, relationship, nothing with nobody, honestly, because it's always gonna go downhill. So be your authentic self and believe in yourself no matter what, with all you got, because that's all you got is you. For real, for real. We being real, that's all you got is you. So be there for you and show up for you. And don't let nobody stop you. Hey, all gas, no brakes. Once you start, you can't stop. Yeah, focus on your self-care and personal development, because I guarantee you're gonna have a deeper understanding and connection with yourself, your own thoughts, emotions, everything. That's all I have for y'all today. Remember, you have the ability to make a change. And anything you want in this life is attainable. You just have to start. You have to start. Don't go full-fledged. Hey, if you want to go full-fledged, that's cool. But if you're somebody who don't want to go full-fledged, start off light. You will do it. You will be able to do it. I'm a result of that. Just do it. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to more. And I will see you in the next video.